we're going to do a craft about Noah and his sons and what happened when they didn't rely on God.
And this morning we've got me, who's Andrew, and my wife Anne, and this is Finlay, our grandson. And we're going to get started.
So we need scissors and glue stick and the sheets and all of these texts and pencils if you need them.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And the sheets we can download them from the description. So print both pages and colour the images on page 1 with Noah in the tent and his 3 sons, and also on the ground in page 2. Cut around the hill and tent with Noah, and then around Noah's 3 sons. So fold both pages in half along the dotted lines, a mountain fold for page 1 and a valley fold for page 2. Fold the tabs backwards. Glue the right side tabs of both images into place as on page 2. And then fold the images forward and put the glue on the left side tabs of both of them. Fold page 2 over the top and allow the glue to stick. Then open up the base page and see the tent and the people pop up. But Noah didn't turn to God when he was struggling. Instead, he followed his own desires, and there were consequences for his family. So the craft can remind us to always rely on God in the tricky times and in the good times, and he will always be there to help.